What's up, YouTube? It's your guy Elijah from the Lifestyle of E coming at y'all with another video. Today, it's not going to be a garden video, or it may be a garden video later on in the video. I don't know what's going to be added later, but right now, I'm taking y'all to the skilled trade part of my life. Something that I went to school for. I do many things, but right now, this is one of my trades that I went to school for. Graduated top of my class, welding. So today we got a quick little project. I woke up this morning, got on Craigslist. See, you don't sleep on Craigslist, but you got a skill or service, use Craigslist. Also go in certain services and see. So I woke up, man said, I'm in need of a welder. I need a welder. I need him by today or tomorrow. I looked at the project. I said, I got the machine, got all the stuff. I don't know if I can do the project or not. I told him, sometimes you just gotta have faith. Don't worry about burning gas and stuff like that. Sometimes you gotta just say, let me look. Don't even worry about the money. Don't be like, oh, I charge. Well, he asked me, how much you charge? I said, man, let me just look. So I came up here. I looked at it. He said, you think it's something you can knock out? I said, let's go. So we got one side done. I'm gonna show y'all that. Got this next side. I just grinded out. Got everything fitted. So we on it. All right. Gotta put that piece back on so y'all see it. We're gonna get it back on in a minute. Now I got to do some grinding and a little bit of finagling to make it fit back like it's supposed to. Shoot. So that's still cracked, so we just got that out, and now we got it all fitted up. Now we about to weld it out. Don't try that at home. Gotta go to the mat.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
All right, we're down to 2 tacks now. Okay, so we ran into a problem. I knew I was gonna run out of wire. That's why I'm glad I brought a spare. I told my brother this morning, I said, man, give me that spare wire, I'm gonna need it. But we almost done, that's it right there. I still got more work. That thing started arc blowing on me. I said, shoot, I'm running out of wire. I got another wire, so we gotta change it. What's up, YouTube? It's your guy Elijah from the Lifestyle of E. So thank y'all for watching that video. This is part 1. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to finish it up. What happened was I got almost finished with the job, but it just so happened that nobody was available today to get my sister, and she got off at 3:45, so I had to make a deal with her and was like, if you could just walk around the mall or something in that area until I get something going. Then she was like, all right. So I just had her wait till 4:30, and I'm here now. So I told him, customer said from the ad I did the job on, he was like, he available Thursday and Friday. So I was like, you available tomorrow, right? He was like, yeah. I said, all right, so I can come back and finish you up tomorrow. But yeah, job looking pretty good, man. I got my sweat going, got myself in there, got grinding. I love it. So stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.